So last class we already saw how to add our pen tool and how we are going to use it as a pen tool, and those who was absent in the last class, in the previous class, I will explain it once again so that you can understand how the pen tool is working, right? So first of all, I'm going to create a new page, and I'm going to take the new page in just like a pixels, right? And as I told you, that will be your 1920 by 1080 pixels. And from the presets menu you can add it anything, just like a demo, which I took it here, and no required for changing anything from here. Now once the page is done, you need to create your page. Now once you are having this page, okay, what we need to do, first of all, just go to the window workspace and reset to the automation. That will give you the default Illustrator things. Okay, now once you are having this one, you can see in the left hand side panel we are having the tool panels. If you will just go inside your pen tool, that is located here. Okay, now what we need to do, I will select this pen tool. Now as I told you in the previous class, what we have, we are having two things. First is your path, and second is your shape. So these two things are very different. One is our path and second is our shape. So with the help of pen tool we can create the path and the shape. So as I told you, just like if you want to create any type of shape, you can go here and create any type of random shapes how much you want. But let's say I need to create just a random shape which is going like this. So how I'm going to make it? So with the help of pen tool I can create numbers of shapes and numbers of path. So first of all, we are going to check with the shape how I'm going to create the shape. So let's say if I have the pen tool and I want to create any random shape, so how I'm going to make? So first click, second click, and then I will curve it like this. Now again you will see some lines is coming. This line basically is your fill color. So now if I'm going to make it like this, you can see I am able to create any random shapes with the help of pen tool. And even if you want to cancel this one, you need to press escape button on your keyboard. So now you will see the escape is working properly. Now what I will do, I will select this move tool and I will keep it here. So that is just a random shape which I created over here. Now I will just go over here and I can change my color how I want to show. Same goes, let's say with the help of pen tool again, let's say if I want to create any shape from here to here, but I need to give a straight line. So making the straight line, what you need to do, you need to press shift on your keyboard. Now whenever you are going to hit shift on the keyboard, you will see the line is getting straight. So I will just select this one. Now I will select this one. Now I will select this one, and from here I can create another shape, and this shape you will see the color is inside. That means I need to fill this color from here. I can easily do that. So first of all, I need to select the shape, whatever the shape you want to create, and according to that you need to create any type of shape. And you can ask me what is the difference between this one and pen tool. So let me explain you. The thing is, with the help of these shapes you can actually create just a shape, just like a straight polygon, rectangle, square, any shape. But with the help of pen tool you can create any random shape. Okay, let's say I need to create something like this shape, so I can easily able to do that. But this shape you are not able to create with this polygon tool. So that is the basic difference between pen tool and the shape tool, right? Now once we are having this, once we understood how the shape is working, now we will move and we will understand how this path will work. Path in pen tool, how we are going to use path. Now let's see, we are having this pen tool again. Okay, now whenever I'm hovering my pen tool over here, you will see two things are getting activated. As I told you, this one is your fill color and this one is your stroke color. Okay, so in order to get the path, what we need to do, we need to turn off this color. So I will just select this one and I will turn off this here. Now in this case, what will it remains? It will give you only the stroke path. Right now, stroke, that means your path which we are going to create it. Right now, in the right hand side panel, you can see it is written stroke. That means how much the path size will be. Either it is too thick, 2 3 5 6, how much you want to give the thickness of the stroke, you can decide it from here. So let's say if I'm going to click it over here, you will see we are having the stroke values. Okay, that will decide the thickness of your stroke. So let's say in my case, if I'm going to take it 5, now if I am going to click it over here and click it over here, now if I'm going to click it over here, now you will see I have the thickness of this stroke which is 5. Let's say on the starting of this pen tool, I already created the thickness values of 5. Now I want to change the thickness value of this. So how I'm going to change the thickness value? It is very easy. Just go to the selection tool. This is your first tool, drag and select it. Now again, just go to the stroke value and change it from here. Okay, now you will see your stroke value is getting different. See, now another part, let's say I want to change the shape of this stroke. See, right now what is happening, the stroke is coming like, see this part, this is coming as a square, then moving forward here also the square, but I want to change the shape of this one. How I'm going to change the shape? I will select this one. I will just go to the uniform section. This is the shape which you want to change. Let's say if I want to change the stroke width, you can select this one and you can change it from here. Now you will see the stroke is here. Basically it's look like a brush stroke, and it is very useful whenever the times come to draw something. Okay, where you can create your own brush, where you can create your own shapes with the help of this part. So I will tell you how to do that. Just wait for a minute. Okay, now again, let's say if you want to change, the shape of this one, what you need to do, just again click it over here and you can select any shape. So you can see every time whenever I'm going to click it anywhere on the shape, the point of this one is getting changed. See, like this type of thing. So it is very easy to create any type of shapes, any type of designs, any type of strokes, any type of digital art if you want to create. So very easily with the help of this thing you can do it. I hope I'm clear to you everyone, right? So once you understood like how you are going to create the shape with the help of pen tool, like this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now inside this pen tool, if you will click and see, this is the pen tool, right? Now sometimes what will happen, you are not able to find your desired tools over here. So in that case, what I need to do, I need to check here. Can you see this three dot? I will click it over here. Now you will see we are having lots of tools which I want. So inside this you can see it is written pen tool, add anchor point, delete anchor point, and one more thing is there, anchor point tool. So pen tool already we have, we need to add our pen tool, this add anchor point. So what I will do, I will select this one, drag and drop inside this pen tool. Okay, now again I will select this one, drag and drop inside this one. Now if I will hover on the pen tool, you will see my four things are getting activated from here. Now let's check what are the use of these tools. Okay, now let me delete it first. Let's say we are having the pen tool, this one, we are having pen tool, add anchor points and delete anchor points. First we are going to check with the anchor points, what does it means to you. Last class I told you, let's say if I am having this ellipse and I want to create a shape in the form of leaf. How I'm going to make it? I don't have any options right now. Okay, so what I need to do, I will select this one, this anchor point tool, and I will just click over it like this and like this. So very easily you can create your shape something like this. Now again, let's say if you think this part is very big, so I will select and make it like this. So very easily you can create one leaf. Sorry. Let's say if you want to add the stroke in it, so you can add the stroke, any stroke. I already added the stroke. Now if you want to control the width of this one, you can simply do that from here. Okay, and if you want to change the shape of this one, so just go over here and change it like this. Now you will see you are having this type of thing. Even you can change it like this also. So very easily you can control with the help of anchor point your pen tool. Now in the second part, if you will notice, we are having pen tool, that is your add anchor point and delete or anchor point. What is the use of them? So let's check this out. I already selected my pen tool. I will just turn off this fill color over here. Now I need to create any type of shape. So first, how you're going to use your pen tool? First you need to click it, then you need to click it on another part. If you will release the click, what will happen? It will give you the line. But if you want to curve it, what you need to do? First click, don't release your click, just bend it like this. So you are having the curve like this. Now again you can curve it like this. Now if you will notice, we are having these handles. These are called your handles, where you are going to control on it. How you are going to control on it? So first of all, I will select this direct selection tool, and with the help of these anchor points I can simply curve it like this and curve it like this. So very easily I can manage it and I can show it. Give me 1 minute. Guys, don't come late, be on time, because your topic is already started. You left so many things behind. Okay, so now what we have here, what I need to do, I need to select this one, and I will select it like this, and with the help of handles I will select it like this, and from here I can manage it like this. Now again I can manage it like this. In few moments, that is very helpful for making the curves. But in the few moment you realize, no, I don't want to add this anchor point, or I want to add the extra anchor point for making it bend or making it straight. So in that case, what you need to do, just go to the pen tool once again over here. Okay, now you will see it is written add anchor points. If I'm going to click on it, now I will just click over here. Now again with the help of anchor point tool, I will select this one. Now I can manage it like this. So very easily you can add your anchor points and you can give your turns like this. Okay, now just try to manage it little bit how you want to show it. But if you will press shift on your keyboard, it will give you the straight value. Okay, so just manage it little bit and you can try to handle your things from here as well. Okay, so now you will see this is the thing, and this process is called your handling your pen tool with the help of your add anchor points and delete anchor points. Now let's say in few moments you realized, okay, I made this one as a turn, it's look good, but for now I don't want to add it. Okay, so how I am going to delete this one? So just go inside your pen tool here. Now you will notice you are having delete anchor point, so I will select this one and I will click over here. Now you will see the anchor points totally gone. Now again what I'm going to do, I will select over here. Now you will see this will become a straight line. What is happening? The thing is, we are deleting our anchor points, that's why we are getting this type of output. Okay, so that's how you can control your anchor points. Now let's say, as I told you, you will see we already applied the numbers of stroke over here, and with the help of ellipse, this one, if I'm going to create this one as a ellipse, and if I will increase the value little bit, and if I'm going to change the shape, you will notice what we have. We are having this ellipse. Okay, now whenever I'm just going to hover my mouse pointer, or if I'm going to select this one, you will see these anchor points are getting activated, right? And in the previous class, as I told you, you can open and close it. Okay, now let's say if I want to control these anchor points, how I'm going to control it? So I will select this one, direct selection tool, and from here I can easily manage it like this. I can create and transform my shape how I want. So very easily you can do this with the help of this tool. Okay, so very useful tool, this one, this direct selection tool and the pen tool. And this one is, you know, that is very important. Without this, you are not able to create any type of shapes. Okay, so these things are very useful for creating your logos, for creating your designs, for creating your anything, whatever the things you want to create, you can easily create it with the help of these things, with the help of pen tool. Now let's understand with the another example. Okay, so most of the time pen tool are you guys are going to use as a sketch. Let's say if you're best in doing for the sketching drawings, if you best in doing the sketches, okay, and you know how to create the characters, if you know how to create the drawings, if you know how to create the landscape, you can easily do it. Let's say in your mind there is some imagination where you want to create some type of logos design, but on the paper you are good, but on the surface you are not good. Okay, so let's say how you are going to create the shape with the logos or the designs with the help of pen tool, I am going to tell you. Okay, so just give me 1 minute. So let's say you created a raw design on your paper. Okay, and you want to make it colorful design, or you want to make this exact logo for your design, and you want to fill the color inside it, and if you want to create same thing, because this thing is on your paper. Okay, now you're done with the papers drawings and everything. Now you imported this one in your photo in your illustrator, then you want to create this type of logo design. How you are going to make it, let's check this out. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do, I will select it and make it big like this. Okay, now I will press F7 on my keyboard to activate my layers, which we already discussed. If you forgot, just go to the window, go to the layers panel, and from here you can create your layers. Now once you are having this layer, what you need to do, select this one and down the opacity. As I discussed, opacity will, what it will provide you, it will down the brightness of your object. Okay, so let's say I will try to manage it little bit more. So this one is the brightness of my object. Now once I set the entire documents like this, now what I need to do, I will just go to my layers panel, and over here I will select this one, and you will see we are having this layer is selected as we already discussed in the layers class. So I will just lock this one. Okay, now once you are having this, what we are going to do now, you will see I am not able to select any part of this because I already locked this layer. Now how I am going to create this one, I will select my pen tool, this pen tool. Okay, now I will just try to manage it from here like this. Okay, so if you are having problem, just make sure to make it zoom. So first click, second click over here, now third click, fourth click, fifth, make it zoom little bit, click it over here, then here. Now over here we are having this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Now you will see we are having this turning point. So what I will do, I will select and turn it like this. Now if you will see again, I am going to get it the curve. So I will select it once again, select it here, 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 and here. That means my first part is getting completed. So I will select this one and I can manage it little bit. Now with the help of direct selection tool, if I'm going to select any anchor point, you will see this small circle. That small circle will indicate the turning point, how you want to turn it like this. So very easy, you can turn this one. So don't make the point. If there is a chances of making turns, or try to manage it little bit like this. Okay, now once again you are having this one, so try to manage to turn it. Only small turn you need to give it, because it's look very sharp if you are going to give it like a hard curve, no? So now it's fine. Now once I will settle down with the all curves, what I will do, see I am not able to see the object where it is located. So what I will do, I will select this one and from here I will fill the color inside. For now that is just a base color, or you can select this one or make it black. That is just a base color. Okay, now you will see I already created this shape which is located over here. Now I need to create this shape. So what I will do, I will select this one. Now you will see my things are over here, and then I will lock this one. Again I will select my pen tool, this one. Now again I will start making the second part from here to here, here. Now you will see my shape is coming. That means if the shape will come, it indicates you are not doing the right things. So what we need to do, we need to select this one and delete it, delete the part. Now turn off the shape layer and turn on your black layer, your stroke part. Now I will click it over here, then it will go like this, then it will go like this, then again see I'm missing the point. Intentionally I'm missing this point so that you can understand how to fix this one. Okay, so I will add it over here, then over here, then over here, here as well, here, here, and here. So intentionally I missed this point so that I can show you how to manage it. Okay, now let's say I already created this one, but I can clearly see this is not coming perfectly fine over here, and this part over here, how to manage this one. So as I told you, sorry, in the with the help of pen tool you can adjust your add anchor points and delete anchor points. If I'm going to add my anchor points over here, you can see I already added one anchor points over here. Now I will just go inside my direct selection tool. Now I will select this one and I will try to manage it like this. Now again I required one more, so I will add it, add anchor points, and I will try to manage it like this. So very easily, if you missed some points, you can easily do that. Okay, now again, let's say I want to manage it a little bit more, so I will try to manage it from here, and I will make sure to make my point over here, this part, and try to make it straight because these lines are very straight. Okay, so very easily you can fix this issue. Again, I have the pen tool, so I will select this one, add anchor point. Now again select this part and I will select it here. Okay, now I need to fix this one, so I will turn it little bit. I see in original logo these are the points, so I am trying to make it little curve. Okay, so I will select this one, and with the help of anchor point I will adjust it little bit. Now you can see most of the part I already fixed it. Okay, this part is fixed. This part, if you want to fix, the process will be same. Just add your anchor points over here. Now select it, and from here you can set it. Now once the settings are done, once you already added your anchor points, what you need to do, just select this one, go to the color section and use your colors. Now you already completed your first logo. Okay, over here. Now in the second one I already logged it. Now you will see we already completed this logo design with the help of our pen tool, where this logo is designed by yourself, or your client or the office staff given you to work on it, or some freelancer person is giving you this design to work on it, or they wants to make some changes in it. So you can easily do that with the help of this design. Now what you need to avoid. Okay, now let's say if I am going to use with the help of pen tool, so what I need to do, I will click over here, so you can see how distance I'm maintaining over here. So don't do it like this. Let me show you first. Okay, so don't do like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. This one is totally wrong. Why? Because you are having lots of anchor points. See, you are not able to control over it. So always try to manage with the distance. So let's say this one here to here, and this part here to here. So it should be on the distance, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so that is just a easy logo where you can create this type of designs. And after doing that, what we need to do, we are going to create the shade cards. Basically, uh where it gone, yes, shade cards we are going to discuss very soon. Shade cards are colors. Okay, so we need to create our shade cards where we are going to fill with the colors. So there are we are not discussing about the color right now, but in the upcoming days we are going to discuss it. For your information only, we are having multiple type of colors, like on the basis of the color theory. We are having so many lots of colors. Okay, so we are having the monochrome, we are having another stuffs as well. So how you are going to manage it? Okay, let's say I need to fill the color inside. So first of all, I will hide this one, and I will select this over here. Okay, now I will first create my shade cards like this, how much color I want to add in my section. So I will first select this one. This color I can select it from here, right? And from here, this is my shade card. Let's say I want to add some more colors over here. So this is the two colors, right? And I want to fill inside my colors. For the just showing purpose, I'm showing you, I'm not going to use any complementary colors, even the split complementary colors. I'm not using the color theory right now. I'm just telling you to how to fill the color inside any object, right? So you already created two shade cards. These are called your shade cards. Maybe possible you are going to fill with another cards as well. Let's say if you want to select another color, you can go with that, and another color you can go with that. Okay, so you are having shade cards over here. Okay, now let's say you want to fill this two color or this two color inside this one object and second object. How you are going to set it? It is very easy. So with the help of Eyedropper tool, you can use it, and the shortcut is I. Okay, so with the help of I, with the help of this shortcut, you can easily do that. eyedropper. Okay, so just give me 1 minute, my recording is going to be end, so let me restart the recording. Now let's say I want to add the shadow inside it. Okay, so how I'm going to add the shadow? Just go to the window, sorry, just go to the effect, and from here you need to find where it gone, convert to shape, stylize, not in the stylize, effect gallery. Yeah, just go to the effect, and under the section of the stylize you can see it is written drop shadow. Okay, now whenever you are going to click on it, you can see you can easily activate your shadow and it will give you a little bit more depth in it. Okay, now you can control your drop shadow over here, just like with the help of opacity. Opacity means how dark it will be. So in my case it is 75. Let's say if I'm going to make it 100%, what will happen? You will notice it will become more dark. Okay, now offset, like how much it will go up and how much it will go down, x and y axis. So let's say if I will make it 50, now see it is coming on the x-axis. Now again if I'm going to make it 50, now you will notice what will happen, it is coming down, x-axis and the y-axis. Now with the help of blur you can see this black part, right? So in the black part, what, how much it will be blurred and how much it will be uh, straight, you need to decide it. So let's say in my blur case, if I'm going to make it 100%, so it will give you something like this. It's totally vanished, right? It is not looking like this. So let's say if I will make it 70, you will see this blurriness is here. Now let's say if I will make it 10, now you will see this hard is coming. So it's totally up to you how you want to show the output. It's totally depend on you. So in the opacity I am going to make it 75, I will make it 77. Okay, now here I need to add the blurriness very less, so I will make it 5. Okay, or else I can make it 2 as well. Now once I will press OK, your design is ready. Now I will select this one. If you want to readjust your designs or you want to recreate your designs, you can easily do that in the two ways. Okay, so see, so now see what is happening. If I am going to select this one and this one, drag, now my background is getting selected, so I need to lock my background. So I will select this one, just go down and lock this one. Okay, now right now I am very easily select this thing. Okay, so that's how you can create a logo with the help of your pen tool. I hope I am little bit clear. Okay, now moving forward, let's find the name of this design. So you can give any name for this design, let's say anything. What name? Let me check, just give me 1 minute. So let's say we are going to name this logo Hexora. So I need to write it Hexora over here. So you can see we are having this type tool. Okay, I will add it, this one, Hexora. Right now I'm not working on the font, so just for the showing purpose I am writing this one Hexora over here. Okay, because our next topic is how to align the objects. Okay, so in order to get the alignment things, I need to tell you this thing properly. Okay, so the text thing we are going to discuss in the later classes, not for today. Just for the showing purpose, just for your knowledge, I am just writing one text. The logo of this name is Hexora. Okay, and from here I can change my font style, something like Hexora, like this. Okay, now I'm going to change this font in white color. Now we are having something like this. Now if you will notice, I already renamed this logo, that is the hexora. Now if you will see, we are having this object and this object. Basically your text is also an object. Now let's say I want to align this one. What the alignments means to you, let's understand the alignments. Okay, with the help of paint we are going to understand. So whenever you are going to write anything, okay, I will explain you here itself, don't worry. Brush, let me select the brush and select your white color. Okay, let's say if you are going to write something, so there is a format. Either you will write it from the left, or you will write it from the center, or you will write from the right side. So these are the steps which you need to follow during the writing things. Okay, so same thing is going to be happen also in creating any type of objects. So what we have, let's say if we are having this object, this object, or this object, so might be possible this objects look straight from the left alignment, but it is not. Okay, so what we need to do, either we need to create one scale to make it straight, either we need to create one another scale to make it straight. So from the left side you can make it left alignment, sorry, this one is your right alignment, and this is your left alignment. Okay, so and one more thing, let's say you are having multiple circles over here, here, here. So this is your center alignment. Okay, this is your center alignment. Now we need to keep in mind, whenever you are going to create any type of logos design, or whenever you are going to create any type of object, it must be, there is too much necessity of adding your alignment tools. If your objects are not aligned properly, that means you are not a good artist. So being an artist, what you need to do, you need to align it everything properly. Okay, now this is your center alignment. Now if you will see, there is a gap between this, so you need to also align over here. So alignments are very very important for anything, whatever the things you are going to make it. Okay, so I will select this one, I will delete this one for now. This is my shade cards, I will keep it over here. Now make it over here, just make it near, and just lock this one, this shape shade cards. Or you can do one more thing, select all the shade cards, make it in the group. Okay, now once it will be in the group, lock it all, so you are not able to select it. Now over here we are having two things. Now let's understand how we are going to align it. So let me open a new page for you. Let's say, as I told you, we are having so many different type of circles. So this is my shape, one shape is like this, and I will select this one, I will make it Control D for making it number of copies. Now if you will notice, maybe it's look straight. Can you see, maybe it's look straight, but it's not look straight, this is not the straight one. Okay, so we need to make it straight first. We are having two options. First we are going to check with the ruler, are these are straight or not. So how we are going to check it, you need to press Ctrl R on your keyboard in order to get this one. So the shortcut will be CTRL plus R, that is your ruler. Okay, so once I have the ruler, I will select this one. Now I will check it. Okay, now it's look good, that means these circles are straight. See, try to manage it from here, make it close, and try to manage it over here. Now see, these circles are straight. Again select this one and keep it over here. Now you will see it's look straight, but still I am getting confused. Okay, now it not look straight. According to the ruler, it is coming straight. Okay, I can manage it. But with the help of alignment tool, I need to check either it is straight or not. Okay, how we are going to check it? So first of all, just select the all this ruler and delete it. Now all the things are gone. As I told you, we are having three to four type of alignments. So first of all, center, I will write it not here, I will write it on your word. See, center align, left align, right align, spacing align. This is basically alignments, so I don't want to write alignments together, but if you want I will write it for you. So center alignment, left alignment, right alignment, spacing, and one more is middle alignment. Okay, so these are the things which we need to use it in the upcoming classes, or whatever the designs you are going to make it, you need to follow this step. So how we are going to make it? So first of all, as I told you, first we need to check are these align or not, and just try to understand these things are not in the group. Remember this one. Right now every sections are single. Now we need to check it either it is straight or not. So first of all, you need to select all of them together. Now just go to the window, and from here you can see the alignment tools are there. So the shortcut is Shift F7, and you can activate it from the window itself. Now you will see the alignment tools over here. If you are not able to find on the top, then you can go to the window and start making alignments over here. Now once you are having this one, now as I told you, the alignment objects are left align, center align, right align, top align, vertical align center, and vertical align bottom. So these are also which you can control it. So first of all, let's say in this case what we have, we are having the circle which is going like a this shape, vertical align. So first of all, I need to check with this vertical align. So what I will do, I will select all of them. Now I will select this vertical align. Okay, now see, nothing happens. That means these all are totally aligned. But if I will select this one and I will make it over here and just make it little bit left or right, now you will notice this is not totally perfectly aligned. So if I want to make it align, what I need to do, I will select both together. Now this time, from where you want to align, might be possible you need to align it from the left side. Okay, so how you are going to align it? So select this one, just go and make it align your object like this. Now you will see your objects are aligned properly. Okay, now let's say again, if I will select this one, I will make the copy, I will make it over here. Now this one, I will select this one, select all of them, and make it left align. So the alignment from the left tool is going like this. Now once you understood how the alignments are working, what you need to do, first let me delete this one in order to get it. Now I will select all of them. I need to make the copy of this one. Okay, something like this. So what I need to do, first of all, I will select all of them and I will make it in the group. Now from here I am going to make it in the group. Once your objects are in the group, what you need to do, make the selection like this. Okay, now press Ctrl D for making the numbers of copies. Now it's look like maybe possible it is straight, so we need to check either it is straight or not. So what I need to do, I will select this one, because all are in the group like this, so I can easily align all of them together. Okay, now let's say if I want to align this one with this one, so what I need to do, I will select and try to manage it from the center align. Okay, so I will select all of them and try to manage from the center. So if your circles are not in the center, it will automatically come into the center. If the alignments is properly, then nothing will happen, nothing will change. Okay, once you are having this one, the things are in the center right now. But if I'm talking about the distance, see the distance of this one from here to here, the distance are different. So I need to manage the distance. So how I'm going to manage the distance? I will select all of them. Okay, now if you will go here, you can see it is written distribute object. If I will click on it, now it will automatically assign, it will automatically assign the distance between them from here to here. If it's already assigned, then there will be no problem, but the object is not assigned properly, it will automatically come. So for the showing purpose, what I can do, I will manage it little bit like this. So just making the random selections like this. Okay, now first of all, let's say I want to make it in the center, so I will select all of them. Now I will make it center. Now you will see it will automatically come in the center. Okay, now from here I'm just making it as a random distance. Let's say here, just create any random distance from here, here, because see you already center it, so don't move it from up left or right, it's already in the center. So now you can make it like this, just give the random distance. Now what I will do, I will select all of them. Now I will distribute layers. So whenever I'm going to hit it, now you will see all the things are getting in the equal distance. So that's how you can use your alignment tools properly. Right now, once you are having this alignments tool properly, right now, maybe possible accidentally you move something and see this thing is happened. This is not correct, coming properly, right? So you can use your align tool, left or the center, how you want to show it. Okay, so very easily you can align it and you can keep it. I hope uh, you are getting the points how the alignment tools are working. Right now, once you understood how the alignment tools are working, you can select all of them and you can keep it in the group, because the use of this one is over. Now same goes over here. Once we created this logo design, right? So I need to align with this one. So see, this is in the center, right? So I need to make the center alignment. How I am going to make it? I will select this one plus this one, and from here in the center alignment I will make it like this. Now you will notice the things are in the center, right? Now let's say I have the tagline also for this one. So let's say I am going to write some uh, text over here, that is your let me write it first, that is some taglines over here, that is just like, make it big. I just added just a random tagline. Okay, make it big little bit like this. Okay, now I will select this one and keep it here. Now it's look a little bit more big, so I will make it somewhere like this 24, and I will make it big little bit. Now this time I need to align all things together. Okay, so how I'm going to make it? I will select all of them. Now I will just go to the center align and make it in the center. Okay, so that is necessary, you need to manage it. If you will not manage correctly, the output will not come. Okay, so that's how you can align your subject. Now once I already aligned from the center, now I need to decide the distance between this one and this one. So maybe possible it is very close or very far, so we need to decide the equal distance between them. So I will select this one, and with the help of distribute object I will assign it. Once the distance is fine, nothing will happen, but if the distance is little high, so it will give you the changes. Okay, so I can make it, for now I can make it here, Then again I will select all of them together and make it in the center, and you can keep it here as well, make it little bit down. So that's how you can create your design. You can add your things very easily, and you can create numbers of designs with the help of pen tools, with the help of alignment tools. So in the upcoming days we will also see how we are going to create any type of characters. Let's say you are good in character creation, so I will take a reference, then I will show you how to create and how you are going to create the characters using of your pen tool. You already done in your sketching book, and from there you want to create those things inside your Illustrator. So how you are going to do that, I will show you in the next class. I hope things are clear to you, and by the next class we are going to discuss about another things. Just like I told you, we will cover up different things. We are going to cover up with the different elements. What you need to do, you need to do the lots of practice. See, for me it is very easy to do that. I will do it in 5 to 10 minutes, right? But for you it will take time. So in order to get a perfect hands-on practice, what you need to do, you need to get the software and you need to do the practice. Without practice you're not able to get it. Okay, so I hope I'm clear to everyone. By the next class we are going to start with the character thing. So that's it for today's class, and if you are having the softwares you can try to make this one, and we will continue to the next class. You can be there till 12 you are having classes, so be there. If you are having software, try to make this one, and during that thing if you are facing any type of problem, feel free to ask with me. Okay, it's fine guys, it's totally fine. Very good. Now you can continue with your project. If you already have the software, then you can practice this one. If you don't have, then what you can do? Nothing, just enjoy your time. But before 12, don't leave your class. Thank you so much.